through that.
So Matt's here. You know the drill. We give him a weather word.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Remind me how this works.
Okay, so I throw a word at him, and then it's his job to fold it into the forecast. Now, last week, we had some really tough words. And so he had said Thursday, you know, when you come back.
Take it easy.
On Monday, give me an easy word.
It's in my journal.
Yeah, it is. He writes down every single day what goes on the show. This word isn't easy, Matt, but it does relate to our last story. Submarine. So fit submarine into that weather forecast, and you'll get the ding from our director.
All right. I'm looking forward to that, Jay.
All right.
Trying to help the Indians forecast whether the pitcher should start or not, because we've got rain coming in right for the start time.
Really?
No.
Pitchers can't get up and warm up.
No.
Because once they're warmed up, they're good. It counts as a day. So
you're right.
This is super tricky. Yeah, I'll get submarine into the forecast. Jeez, Jay Crawford.
Does that count?
No,
No,
it
he
does
has
not
to
count.
use it.
Good question, though, Sarah.
Yeah, great question. Yeah, you're on your heels there. You're the first anchor to ever even listen to the forecast, Sarah, so I appreciate that. That's great. Jay, take notes over there. Rain and rumbles. Look what's moving in, everybody. We've had showers and thunderstorms down towards Ashland, out towards the western half of Erie County near Sandusky. The islands getting some pretty heavy downpours now. There's no lightning in this, at least not yet. We don't have a ton of instability. I know it feels unstable out there, but the atmosphere is like a sandwich, right? There's all sorts of layers, and there's a nice cap on the atmosphere right now, keeping the lightning from really occurring. So heavy rain just north of Ashland there, getting ready to approach the 71 corridor. That stretches down to the south Worcester. You will be in the heavier rains shortly. How long does this last? Does this push into Cleveland? I think so. Is it playable for the Tribe game? Is it playable for the kids outside? Might want to bring them in, but I do think this will start to weaken as it moves in. Bigger picture, though, we've got an area of low pressure to our west. There's actually a tornado watch for Chicago and northwest Indiana. This is our next batch of storms that moves in perhaps tomorrow morning. So we've got a very stormy pattern that starts right now. It's going to last all the way through Friday with these on again, off again storms, tropical flow all the way up to the Canadian border. National Design Mart hour-by-hour forecast. You can see it doesn't have a good handle on these storms. Models are awful in terms of this kind of pattern. So I would expect those rain, maybe some embedded thunder with that, but that will overspread, I think, out towards the east later on this evening. Should dry out for a period this evening. Tomorrow we do it all over again. We'll generally be up into the 80s tomorrow afternoon if we get that sunshine, but you can see these shower and thunderstorm waves continue. That will continue through Wednesday and Thursday as well. So to sort it out in terms of when I think the best chances of rain are going to be, I think tomorrow, I do think we have a chance Wednesday and Thursday as well, but a little bit lesser chance. And then Friday, notice how the weekend we clear things out of here, much like a submarine comes up for air. I think we're going to get some drier air in here this weekend as well. I don't think a submarine comes up for air. What am I saying? As we go through time, you can see how these shower and thunderstorm chances just stay in our forecast until we finally get a good push. We need some rainfall. Grass turning brown out there across the Cleveland area. We have a real good shot at some much needed downpours the next couple of days. Union Home Mortgage 7-day forecast. If we get the sunshine and stay rain free, we get hot. We'll be up near 90 next couple of days. The rain will tamper the temps. And notice how we clear out for the weekend. Much less humid air. Saturday, Sunday looking great, but a rainy, stormy week ahead. We'll be back with more after the break.